little cottage. I said, in my little cottage, that's where I will be. I say you can find me in my little cottage. Yeah, in my little cottage. I said, in my little cottage, somewhere by the sea. So much trouble, so much trouble, so much trouble, and I can't take it anymore. No food, no cook, no pot, no bubble. Tired to see homeless sleeping on the floor. Look how hard mama and papa hustle, and they still end up poor. Every day I hail Rastafari to open the door, so you can find me in my little cottage. Me there, in my little cottage. I said, in my little cottage, that's where I will be. I say you can find me in my little cottage. Yeah, in my little cottage. I said, in my little cottage, somewhere by the sea.
Somewhere I can see a new horizon, looking in another direction,
and turning beyond more calamity,
diving into meditation, clearing up my vision, finding peace in every dimension.
So you can find me in my little cottage. Me there, in my little cottage. I said, in my little cottage, that's where I will be. I say you can find me in my little cottage. Yeah, in my little cottage. I said, in my little cottage, somewhere by the sea. So you can find me in my little cottage. Me there, in my little cottage. I said, in my little cottage, that's where